My party on top the level, na no other person, but the birthday boy himself, or me I say birthday man, he no be boy again, no. When he no be Wizkid, he don't turn birthday man. His name na Badmus Abdulhakeem, aka Badoski. Afana, happy birthday. I don't wish happy birthday yesterday.
Yes.
Ma, I wish happy birthday in arrears again.
Thank you very much.
But your wife try you. She can't package all those Arsenal matter give you.
She tried. She do well.
As I say, hey, na Badoski the rain now.
Now.
Package everything, jeans, now love. When you see love, we go totally you. Better love.
Thank you, Mama.
Last week we did talk about this thing, how you fit take grow your followers on top Instagram, and how you fit take get enough engagement on top the matter. Me, I don't learn one or two things. If they follow me for Instagram, you will know say to post picture they add me. But this morning as I come at the ginger, I tell Badoski, yeah, no worry, after the show you will see my picture. So I tell Badoski I don't learn. Me, I no be like person wey just they teach others, but me, I no one learn. Nobody sabi everything finish. Me, I dey open. So last week we give you 5 points. This week, Badoski go give you another 5 points if you add to that of last week. He get one senior citizen where even buzz me. Okay. Say the man missed the one we do on Monday. Okay, so the repeat episode broadcast on Thursday, the repeat broadcast on Thursday, that one now for your information. Thursday by 5 o'clock, they repeat this program again. He call tell me say, so many things when you talk, you no. Say, but now he don't learn. I can't they laugh.
Well, now the goal be that say make people feel learn, make them feel improve how they use this various social media platform. You know, say last week we start say, okay, well, how person improve engagement and how they get followers. The truth is say if you don't improve your engagement, you could get followers. So, and the reason why we take Instagram now because many business owners now on top Instagram they use Instagram. Why? Because they feel post picture, they feel post video. And you know, say last week we talked say one of the things we specifically do to increase followers and to increase engagement and to they post consistently. If they post consistently, that means say people where they come your page, you know they hunger them, you know they give them food chop. So they need content. The content are the food way you suppose give them. They give them. If they post consistently. Another we talk say okay, they try video they move. People won't see what you they up to. People won't see that way they sell. How it be? She na round shape or na square, she na black color or white color, that one too. So that when they post video, people they go believe you more. If they believe you more, they go won't follow you. If they follow you, engage your page, they go buy from you. So that's part one. The other one I say maybe they use we talk they call a hashtag. Say if you want to sell something, put the correct hashtag of what you want to sell, or if you want to explain something, push the correct hashtag. Like yesterday, okay, you talk say I do birthday yesterday. When I can't post, I can't put hashtag happy birthday Badoski. Imagine say when I do that post finish yesterday on my birthday, I can't put hashtag Obama Young must sign. You say you know jail.
No jail waiting.
Or hashtag Nigeria 102 Ibadan. That one feel jail small. Say okay, I want to say I did work here, but it's still no jail like that. Because nobody say maybe we do one special event where they related to the birthday. So correct hashtag, then say you go come put we talk say location. When you put your hashtag, put your location. Then another one we say maybe they try generate your own content. No go they carry random picture. Okay, so you want to sell maybe baby stuff now, or you want sell phone. You can't go carry one picture on top internet. You can't put it on top your page. You can't say maybe people come buy. You know, it work that way. People won't see how that way won't sell. How it be for where you did. So generate content where we say now your own go. Now you generate them. Wait you want say you don't get them. Carry your phone, snap them, post them. Carry your phone or camera, do video recording. post them, people go take you more serious. Then the last one we talked last week now say, may you they collaborate. Say me and you now we dey do program now collaboration. You know, say if you talk say okay, oh, you want explain and give people where they house, you go do it now. But you look say okay, oh, ma call this guy, may he come join me so that you go feel explain better. Or if you they give explanation, me say go feel add my own explanation. Collaboration, then a collaboration. I feel talk say okay, Baba, you get one conversation where you do on top radio. I like them more. Have you posted on top my page? Then a collaboration. You feel even reach out to me say, Omo, I talk about something though, and I want make more people see them. So I go like put it on top your page. Now collaboration. Me say if you get something where you say I feel say Baba, I know say Baba sport you dey ginger go. I can't talk one sport matter, and I want make people see them. I feel reach out to say Baba, I know say the niche where you don't cover for yourself sport. Say plenty followers where you get we like sports. If they see my content, they go like camo. I feel put it on top of your page. Down say now collaboration. So all these things come follow with say when person want post. So the sixth one now say okay, you want post. Make people they post at the best time. We dey always tell people say post at your best time, post at your best time. But the question is say which one be your best time? Wait down when we say the time we say you go post and plenty people go see them, plenty people go engage them, and you go get more views, more likes, more engagement. So the time we I always tell people say the time where they work for you, feel no work for me. So now you go study your followers. Now you go study people where they follow you on top your timeline to know the best time for you. I know some people will say, now when all of us on the try go sleep, now that time then they post around 10:30, 11:30 to 12 for night. Now that time some people they post, and some people will tell you say, if I post that kind of time, who go come remain to like the content post, where almost everybody don't go sleep. So some people they will say early morning, say like 5:30 AM, they don't post. Their calculation will say at least when everybody go wake up,
they don't see them there.
They go see them like okay, some go see them before they come out house go work. Some go see them when they reach work. Some go see them when they won't go chop lunch. Some now when they take their breakfast for house or for work, they go see your post. Some people will reason and say the kind of people where they follow me, if I post between 5:30 AM and say 12 PM, people feel no see them because most of the people where they follow me, maybe now people will say that now rush hour be that period of time. So the time where they go rest, get time for social media now around say 2 PM to like 5 PM. If you don't sabi your followers like that, you go no say okay, now that time, that period of time be your own best time to post. So your own best time will be during match, when clubs they play match, maybe around 6:30. For imagine for Champions League now, your own time will be that kind of time. Say okay, 7:45 to like 9:45. That are your own best time where people they come your page. And imagine if you don't dey consistent with that time, people go they come your page that time. That kind of time. So if you can't go they post when you see say other people they post another time, you say can't go post another time, your followers not go see your content because they don't sabi say so time. You know say this program now we don't put and say 10:30. So people we won't come listen. They don't say 10:30 AM or they don't come listen to social media half hour. Imagine we don't come appear on radio like 11 or 11:30. We can't start the program. People we won't listen. Therefore don't wait. Therefore don't carry their matter come out. You get. But because we don't know say okay now the best time to do the program is this. Now why would they put that? So that one post at your best time. But that best time now you go determine. Now you go decide. The other thing we say, so down this one will be like 7 to 1 hour to they use analytics. So the way Instagram, the way they build the application, yeah, when you post, you go see number of likes. You go just see and say, okay, oh, 50 people like my post, 5 people put comments, 3 people reshare. All these things now data, and now things will form analytics where they talk about. But for business owner, also person will say just one post in pen picture, in just one post in video where they dance. If you don't care with for all those kind of analytics, but for you where we say you be business owner, you need to take into consideration all those analytics. So you need to know, okay, when I post this video, how many people like them, how many people view them, how many people drop comments, how many people make an inquiry about what they sell. You know, say people feel drop comments, say, ah, nice, it's beautiful, I like it, I like the color, I like the size, one thing. That one are part of analytics. Another part of analytics that to ask yourself that honest question, say, okay, how many people ask for price? Maybe you no put price. Some people go put price for waiting they say, some no go put price. They will say many people send DM. How many people ask for the price of that way you want to sell? Now part of your analytics. Shame people even they ask for the price at all. Now part of the analysis. Because if they post products, if they post and people know they ask for the price. That means say they don't get time for your matter. That means say they know. That means say those people say they don't be your target audience. So you need to ask. You need to follow those analysis so that you go know say okay, oh, this thing what they do. People they concentrate. People they show interest for what they do. That is the 7th one. The 8th one I say maybe they try and engage your followers or your fans. You don't say for radio. Gonna do it. We go to say radio as or now. Radio say don't get easy.
Yes.
As we they talk, we go on phone say make people calling. People go they send us comment on Facebook. So that means say as we they talk, feedback day. If you get page, you they sell something. People go they ask you say how much be this thing? You know answer them. This color is kind of dark or. Sure, you get any other color aside this one? You know, answer them. I like the way you took the picture. I like the way you take the video. I like how you put all those action. You know, answer thank you. You don't talk anything. So as they drop your comment, your post, you just they leave and make people they do anything way they want to do on top and you know concern you. You know go far. As especially business owners. So when they ask you question, I beg. They try and engage them. Question where they ask, the one where you feel answer them. The one where you don't know, because sometimes they feel ask you a question where you don't know. You feel that is okay, well, I'll help you find out what they ask. Or they ask for products where you don't get for shop. And you don't, or say, okay, say you get maybe 1 product now, like 5 of that product. You can't post them. But as you post them, maybe 10 minutes after or 30 minutes after, or one day after, you don't sell out. They don't buy a fish. Another person gonna come next tomorrow, and you know delete the post. The person called the house to say, madam, I beg go. This product where you post yesterday, I need them this color, so time. If you pay, you know answer say you don't sell them out. Say maybe I go fee help you get them next time, or share if you pre-order, my help you get them, send and give you. You don't do anything. You just leave that comment. A time go come. People go start to see you like one on serious element. Say, if you kuku ask them, you know go answer. That's for business owner. For people who say they just a user and they post
just to cash fund.
Just cash fund. You say engage your followers. Why? Because without those people where they can't like your post, where they can't drop comments, your page go they boring. Because that means say if you post, they know like them, they know engage them. Why? Because even the time when they like and engage them, they talk on top of your page. They do like say, you know, they see them. Something happened yesterday. One person wished me happy birthday yesterday. But before he type on the same caption, he talk say he like me. Say but most of the time we in the tag me. Say me I know they respond. Say but he still like me. Say happy birthday to me. I can't beg the person say me no say he no dey intentionally, and he no dey intentionally. No be something why they do intentionally, no dey intentional. The thing just happen maybe because the number of engagement why they get it plenty. So sometimes I know they see some, but that one no, people know say I know they engage them. But this one person still complain, say I know they engage them. Thank God I can't sit down when you use complain and I engage them. So even if they vex say I know they engage them before, at least if I don't know say now because I know see those previous one, now why I know they engage them. Now me say I don't note in handle down. Even if you know engage me I go in timeline, go engage the post, so that you go no say no be say they do igberaga, or no be say they do it intentionally. So you need to engage your followers. Then another one, may they do, may we go. Okay,
so we'll take one more, then we'll go for break.
So may we talk say, okay, oh, you can't engage your followers. You get one thing where they work now. I feel talk say like 3-4 years ago, that they like that, but now it don't do rampant.
Isn't that thing?
Now to the host contest, and to the host contest will be in 2 ways. You feel to say to they do giveaways. You know, say one artist thought say say Olondro they giveaway.
Naira Marley.
So you feel do giveaway. Another thing we feel do is say just host contest where no day where no be say you go give money. So today you feel just ask question, say okay, as you wear Arsenal jersey now, if you post picture, you fit tag and say rep your club. You go see everybody go come. Me I be Man U, me I be Baka, me I be 3SC, me I be Eyimba. Everybody go dey.
I know sure say Barcelona fans will come. After that knockout.
That one the thing heavy actually, but they go come. And even if those kind of people come, you go see some other club go they come say now we wipe your club now. So
one way or another, you don't create
conversation. Engagement good day. Intra engagement good day. Inter engagement good day. People go engage your own page. People go engage.
They go even engage one another on top your page.
Some people go even turn friend. Some go yab themselves.
Of course.
You know, say some
that is allowed.
You get some go yab themselves. But at the end of the day, some go make friends. I get people who say now because we they follow Arsenal. Now why we become friends and we they see, we they hang around, we they hang out now. So that's what it be. And some they will say we don't abuse ourselves. Say he pass football or artist. Yes. Now one artist be your favorite. Now one artist be my own. I take be problem. Shake. So make people they try host contest.
Make I hold you for work there. I still get Badoski with me inside the building. And my name is Akimoyato, one of the Federation. This now the matter we they call social media alpha on top Nigeria FM 102.7. We won't go sharply drink shaking water, and we will come back immediately after Barry J and Davido give us Only You. Other things where they happen on top social media.
Okay, so the last one we they call and cross post. Same people with the cross, maybe they post, maybe they call they cross them. So might just explain. Waiting maybe say if you do on top football pitch now, so you they play, you be winger, you be left winger. You can't the carry ball, go left, go left, go left. If you carry ball, push and give person where they right. That means say you cross
the ball. Yes.
Wait it down on maybe that. Now for social media, when you post on top Instagram, you know say we get other social media application. Now Instagram say get Facebook. You know now.
I know.
Now Instagram get Facebook. Now the same company get WhatsApp. The same company get WhatsApp. So if you want to come cross post, wait till you post on top Instagram, you feel push am, cross am, go Facebook. Now say if you get like 5,000 followers on top Instagram or 500 followers on top Instagram, you can't get like 200 followers on top Facebook. when you post on top Instagram, that same content, when you cross them, you go push and go Facebook. People wey dey Facebook say go dey see am.
That is, make you no just limit yourself to just one social media.
No limit.
Matter.
On top WhatsApp now, if you post on top your WhatsApp, option dey to push am go another platform, say Facebook. Sure you get. Then another one we say you fit cross post from one company way to another company, like Facebook. You fit cross post them to Twitter. Instagram, you fit cross post to Twitter. But you know if you cross post from Twitter to Instagram. But if you do from Instagram to Twitter. Now, me, I dey always tell people, because na things what now something where you say I don't try. For Facebook, Instagram, if you cross post, you go see results. Why? Because now the same picture, if that picture you post on top Instagram, you can't cross post to Facebook. Now that same picture, people with their Facebook will see. Nobody say link go there, they go add link, but they go see that same picture. So they don't need click the link. People with their Facebook don't need click that link.
We go carry them go
Instagram, come see what you post. The same thing with video. If you post Instagram, post video on top Instagram, cross post them to Facebook. People with their Facebook will see the video. Link go there, but they go see the video. They don't need click the link to come check the video on top Instagram. Now the disadvantage for company to company be say, if you can't post picture or video on top Instagram, if you can't cross post them to say Tumblr not today popular here, or to Twitter they popular, people go see part of the caption, because Twitter now 240 character. People go see part of the caption. They will come see link. Now, until they click that link, they don't see maybe in a picture you post or in a video. And now, because everybody they try manage their data.
Not true.
If you they click every link where they see, you go chop your data finish now. So people go come see anything where you cross post from Instagram, come Twitter, they go see them. They will just read the first caption. That link, they go look and they go just scroll, say, I beg, man, go check another person content. So to they move from one application, enter another application, you know they gel. People know they to do and like that. Some people go they click on, but me I dey sure. In fact, you get one popular comedian where we say, I know we're talking name, where we say, person where they handle in page. Now waiting they always do. In the cross post from Instagram to Twitter. So me I can't check the analysis of things where they the person page. As he say, person will say now big name, oh, he get number. That means he get followers, plenty followers. So all the thing where they in Twitter page, now Instagram post where they cross Twitter. But now link. People no come engage them. The thing plenty. Some go get one retweet, one like. Some no even get retweet at all. Person wey be say get name, e no suppose be like that. So and I dey always tell people. So
which is the person wey dey manage the social media account.
I even tell the person
wrongly.
I tell the person, say, tell this Baba, say no be so you suppose dey do. I know say na you dey handle it. Now you suppose make that correction, but you no listen. And I dey always tell people. So instead of cross posting from one company to another, just copy that same caption when you put on top Instagram.
You don't give me that line before.
Now the secret with that. Just copy the same caption where you don't type. If na Twitter, you first type the caption. That same caption where you won't use for Twitter, copy am.
Put am for your.
Go your Instagram, paste am there. The same picture where you use for Twitter, put am there, post am. No cross post from one company, one social media application. We no dey the same. We no get the same parents. No cross post. It no work. So the same caption where you use for Instagram, instead where you go come send link to Twitter, people no go click. Just copy the same caption, the same video or the same picture. Come Twitter, open another Twitter, like say you want type, put am there, post am. People go engage. So as cross posting dey good, inside get your own side say disadvantage. But if you don't master and say now waiting people want be they say they won't say they don't want move from one application go another. Just do as the thing they work for people where they use them, and you go do okay.
Thank you, Badoski. We don't tell you waiting to do if you want increase your followers on top Instagram, and don't tell you how you fit take create engagement on top the platform. Waiting be the gist wey dey on top social media.
Okay, so of recent, like last week now, Facebook they release one update now where we say you know say if you want chat on top Facebook, we get Facebook Messenger.
Yes.
Now on top Instagram say get we they call it DM, then a direct message. Now because now the same company get it too, the update where then they release now, they don't merge the Facebook Messenger and the Instagram DM. They don't merge them together.
What will be the impact of that one?
So
how does it work now?
Now you know say if they use Facebook Messenger, it get out the thing they arrange conversation where the thing they find they make sense. The thing know they scatter. For DM, Instagram DM, the thing still they somehow. So they try make the two so that the Instagram DM will take shape of the Facebook Messenger.
Okay.
So now the updates way they just a release now. Now that one be that. The other news we come out for Facebook, like we talk, when you put out your opinion, some people go like them, some people no like them. Some people go dey vocal about the fact that they don't like your opinion. Some people just look, they no talk. So for now, people can't they raise matter say Facebook say they know they take care of hate speech very well. Say and it be like say the thing can't they favor one party, especially for US, Democrat, Republic. So some they talk say it favor Republican. We be say
Donald Trump,
Donald Trump party. Some they talk say no, say it favor Democrat. We be for
Joe Biden.
So now that one. So Twitter, Facebook on they come out with.
Like say some weeks ago, you get one post where President Donald Trump's son where he put they regard them as dirty post. Then come out and they say me they do law for America just to tackle them back.
That's so that because before you post Sansan for their own matter.
Gary.
You know say for that place, anybody if you just wake up,
sue them.
Sue Facebook go court and they go collect better money. So those ones that they try play safe so that they know we enter people wala. So now that one they happen for Facebook. So Facebook can't talk say no, they know they favor anybody. Say the platform are for everybody. But as the platform take be for everybody, maybe people still they watch things when they put out. And an example we don't give say no matter how big you are, if you talk something we say na wrong information, false news, Facebook fit take am down. Twitter said they do am. In fact, they don't do am severally for these are Oga for US. They do am.
They do am too.
But before you reach that level, maybe we say we they use all this platform, maybe they try, maybe they sieve information where we they put out. Something where you know say no they right, where no they correct, no put them out. Something where you know say if you cause trouble, where people go come they talk back at one another on top social media. Some go even carry and come on social media, go meet themselves. No put them on top social media. So now that one. Then the sale of TikTok, that one still the conversation still they go on top that
for
one. America.
Because Donald Trump no want them.
He don't even carry
because
the
matter. Chinese company.
He don't even carry the matter go another leg now. He don't they threaten Alibaba. Alibaba na platform where we say if you buy product,
things there.
He don't they carry and reach they say as in they look and say if let's say go take step on top that platform. You don't say US get their
but the way in the drum. You know they fear repercussion.
No, you know they
because he get one time. I remember he get one time where he get this company Huawei.
Yes.
Where then to they do then they into phones and other gadgets. Where they cash their Oga. they say he go spy something. They shall look for case.
So
when Chinese people go respond, they take down Apple.
Now the thing now.
And a bad market for both countries.
So because the two of them they fight who be world power. World power. US they claim saying that them be world power, and they go do anything to make sure say they remain world power. China, then they emerge every time. And the way China matter be, if you look at technology wise, the research where they do, the product where they push out, the thing they
always compete with American products.
In fact, most time they kick.
And their prices they somehow more friendly.
They relatively friendly with people, especially people who say na middle class or low income and herself. So imagine person won't buy gadget, you go use 500,000 naira buy gadget. These are people where we they talk. Then they go do gadgets where no pass.
They get the same function.
They get almost the same. If you don't even get the same, but if you get almost, they go tell you their own are like 250,000. You go reason and now say to buy this one or to buy this one where they affordable. Sure you get so now the war and that kind of thing like Alibaba for China. USF gets Amazon. Where we say now for buying and selling. Too. So as Alibaba, you get one day Alibaba do sell, then sell product where they worth $1 billion in less than 1 hour.
Imagine.
So that means say
for America now, like say they cripple their own business.
So and people don't disagree and people waiting down me. We say even their US citizen go they use the site. If they use them, they go they drop.
They go use their own money. They take a boost Chinese economy.
Yeah. So indoor they talk and say. Like saying go reason their matter too. So and yesterday for
Big Brother now waiting I just want to remind you that me I get one issue Badoski. Why you go I believe say the idea of the whole thing now to make viewers be the judge, make them decide who go out.
So.
But all of a sudden now I be like say Big Brother the organizers they change. That they move the goalpost in the middle of the game. You know one thing where all these people they always do, especially all these digital things, they go always put disclaimer there, so they get right to do and undo.
Their business.
It be like my cable TV. Get one time they come on one channel and then go cut. But when I see this, I say I don't get choice.
And most of people don't even they read that disclaimer.
They don't read that. They don't really say we get the right. Anytime and even at the smallest notification to change.
So yesterday, before yesterday, since last week, the house on the hot. For people just they give themselves that. Yesterday, now small remain. They won't throw punch to.
But it did the house rules and regulations say if you go physical on anybody, now straight eviction automatic.
But when you don't talk, when you say you don't
near person, not true. I remember one episode where this guy win. Uti, you know, say Uti go there twice. The first time we first go, you know we. Now when they can't do all star,
you can't wait down.
Now that time we start, I beg. You get one time we in with, I don't forget the guy. You remember that their own. They go as in then they in each other's face. But Uti, maybe the God will decide say he go give her the money. Something just trigger us more. You go no say don't vex. The countenance with the face, he don't vex. But he just turn out to laughter. And from there on, he just behave himself. So who and who go fight yesterday?
Even last year, you know, say one person full person here. And waiting make them disqualify with that.
And even Lulu on the nearly cripple him.
You get so
when she waiting with that girl name. That girl will be say, hey, waiting with her name. I don't forget that name. We then use they strap the babe and
together.
Where the girl pull where that go eat the guy for so, this thing.
You know those kind thing where they happen. Sometimes a person go losing patience, and if you lose and where you don't control yourself, they go disqualify you. Yesterday, this girl Kaisha,
the girl with the evict.
Yes, and Nengi, they talk. They talk so they even shove themselves and then give them with
they give them like strike.
Yes, they give them
maybe
strike.
maybe like football. I mean, they give you yellow card. But like say now 3 strikes make one elimination. So if they give you 1 strike, you still get 2 more lives.
So not just go the cause trouble again. So yesterday night, you know, so all of them put all of them for possible eviction except the head of house and deputy. Then Erica and Kidwire. So
now Erica be the girl where they play with Lacon's feelings. I just need to clear the matter.
You get one episode where you tell one housemate say me I don't move on no. So I be like say don't move on true. You know, say last week we talk and say love. Like say love they, but you don't they move on. So yesterday night it reached one level. They show people where be low get the lowest number of votes. You get so 9 of them. So then they called us okay, each of the housemates may they come meet Big Brother, may they nominate, may them vote two.
Just the same way that they nominate themselves for eviction.
You get
on a weekly basis.
So now the same thing say okay, nominate 2 people for possible eviction, and when they go, the 4 people will remain. Watoni Day, Neo Day, Trikiti Day, then Kaisha Day. Now Kaisha even can't get votes.
The highest number of votes out of the last 4.
Out of the last 4. But when the fellow housemates where they go do their own elimination, now Kaisha 9 them votes for. Person wey be say get vote pass the remaining 3. Now that one they come vote come out. And you know say now 2-2 that they come out since all these days. So people can't they speculate say okay, who could be the second person? Who could be the second person? Some they go talk Neo, some they talk Trikiti, some they talk Watoni. So as the same disclaimer where they talk, Ebuka just talk say made the 3 remaining made them sit down. Say now only 1 person they go home yesterday night. So and since that yesterday till now, people go they talk say some like and like that. People where the thing pay, they like and like that. People where the thing no pay, they talk say you no supposed to like say since now viewers they decide who to stay and who to go. Say now so it's supposed we say the one way they call they do now where we say now housemate come they vote. The thing done the dabaru how they want made the whole show made the thing go. Because like even for this girl own Lilo, the week we then eliminate Lilo, now the same thing happen. Now Lilo get highest vote for the last 4, but now Lilo come out. And the same thing happened again yesterday. So yesterday na Kaisha come out. And when Ebuka even they ask and say Shane they surprise say in fellow housemate vote for him, say me come on. She thought say she know they surprise. Say if she even talk and reach one say they no like her. And she knows say they no like her. Well, now the game. Everybody go there, they go now to win. The money. So me I know as well say may you
go the form allegiance with somebody. If you be saying that person go look say, this person is strong.
Person wey even the shine to give you for that show. If you say that person
pass,
most likely. Now person go even they vote for you, say, oh God, they go your house. No spoil my own plan here. So now wait till happen with that.
Okay, well, thank you, Badoski. For you where they listen to us. Well, next week another time if you join us on top social media. Even though we call our social media far, we know so we don't extend small based on 1 or 2 things we want make we exhaust before we come up for the studio. Badoski, thank you. Say you both enter the studio to come enlighten us about the matter. This Naija FM 102.7. No change there, no go anywhere because we still get plenty goodies for you for today. For now, Ginny will stay.